7 surprising foods with more calcium than milk strengthen your bones. Now, do you think milk is the ultimate source of calcium? Think again. Today we'll debunk this myth. In this video, I'll introduce you to 7 foods that actually contain more calcium than milk. Yes, more. And the best part? These foods aren't just rich in calcium. They also offer a range of other health benefits, including vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Whether you're vegan, lactose intolerant, or just looking to switch up your diet, you'll be amazed. Calcium is vital for strong bones, healthy teeth, muscle function, and even nerve signal regulation. But here's the catch. You don't need to rely on dairy to meet your daily calcium needs. These surprising calcium-rich foods might already be in your kitchen and can strengthen your body in ways you never expected. Stay tuned as I walk you through these bone-boosting options and show you how easy it is to incorporate them into your daily meals. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to strengthen your bones without ever needing to reach for a glass of milk again. And as always, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment on what topics you'd like to see next. Let's dive into the first food on the list. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Number 1. Chia seeds. First up, we have chia seeds. These tiny black seeds pack a serious punch when it comes to calcium. With 631 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, chia seeds offer significantly more calcium than milk. But that's not all. Chia seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and protein, making them a true superfood. Calcium is essential for keeping your bones and teeth strong, and chia seeds are a perfect way to meet your daily calcium needs, especially for those on plant-based diets. The best part about chia seeds is their versatility. You can easily add them to your oatmeal, mix them into smoothies, or make chia pudding. Plus, when soaked in liquid, they form a gel-like texture that aids digestion and hydration. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is not only great for bone health, but also offers a wide range of additional health benefits. If you haven't tried chia seeds yet, now's the time to start. Number 2. Almonds. Next on the list are almonds, a delicious and nutritious snack that's also a great source of calcium. With 264 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, almonds are a powerhouse of nutrients. They not only provide healthy fats, fiber, and protein, but are also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E and magnesium. This makes almonds an excellent choice for anyone looking to strengthen their bones and teeth. The magnesium in almonds further supports bone structure, enhancing their role in maintaining overall bone health. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, sprinkle them over salads, or process them into almond butter or almond milk, almonds are a versatile option that fits perfectly into plant-based or dairy-free diets. Their combination of calcium, protein, and healthy fats makes them a heart-healthy, bone-strengthening choice for anyone looking to boost their calcium intake. Number 3. Sesame seeds. At number 3, we have sesame seeds, a true nutritional powerhouse. With an incredible 975 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, sesame seeds far surpass milk in calcium content. These tiny seeds are not only rich in calcium, but are also packed with essential minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, all of which are crucial for maintaining. Sesame seeds are incredibly versatile and are often used in dishes like salads, bread, or sushi. You can also enjoy them as tahini, a creamy sesame paste commonly used in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisine. Whether sprinkled on your favorite dishes or processed into a paste, sesame seeds offer an easy way to boost your calcium intake while reaping other health benefits. In addition to improving bone density, sesame seeds have anti-inflammatory properties and are rich in healthy fats, particularly polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats that promote heart health. Number 4. Sardines with bones. Next on the list are sardines, especially when eaten with their soft, edible bones. Sardines provide an impressive 382 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, making them one of the best animal-based sources of calcium. This small but mighty fish is packed with nutrients critical for bone health like vitamin D, which enhances calcium absorption, and omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties and support for heart health. The combination of calcium and vitamin D in sardines makes them particularly effective in improving bone density and preventing osteoporosis. Sardines are also incredibly versatile. You can eat them straight from the can, add them to salads, or process them into spreads. Their hearty flavour, combined with their high calcium content, makes sardines a practical, nutrient-dense choice for anyone incorporating seafood into their diet. Number 5. Tofu. Tofu, especially the variety made with calcium sulfate, is another excellent source of calcium, offering about 350 milligrams per 100 gram. As a staple in plant-based diets, particularly in Asian cuisine, tofu provides not only calcium, but also high-quality plant-based protein, making it a key food for vegetarians and vegans looking to meet their nutrient needs. The calcium in tofu helps maintain bone health and density, playing a crucial role in preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Additionally, tofu is low in calories and cholesterol-free, making it a heart-healthy option. Number 6. Kale. Kale, a nutrient-dense leafy green, provides 150 milligrams of calcium per 100 gram. While this may seem modest compared to some other foods on this list, kale stands out due to its highly bioavailable calcium, meaning your body absorbs it more efficiently. In addition to calcium, kale is rich in vitamin K, which is essential for bone metabolism and helps regulate calcium levels in both the bones and the bloodstream. This dark green vegetable is also packed with antioxidants, as well as vitamins A and C, which contribute to overall health. Kale can be enjoyed in many ways: raw in salads, sautéed as a side dish, or blended into smoothies. Number 7. Collard greens. Collard greens provide a strong calcium boost, offering 232 milligrams per 100 grams. This southern favourite belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family and is rich in vitamins A, C and K, all of which play a significant role in maintaining strong bones. Like kale, the calcium in collard greens is highly bioavailable, making it an excellent plant-based source. The high vitamin content in collard greens is particularly beneficial for bone health, as it helps regulate calcium. In this video, we explored 7 foods that contain more calcium than milk, offering you powerful alternatives to strengthen your bones and promote overall health without relying on dairy products. Whether you're vegan, lactose intolerant, or simply looking for alternative sources of calcium, these foods are not only rich in calcium, but also packed with other essential nutrients that support bone health. From chia seeds to leafy greens, discover simple, easily integrated foods that provide more calcium per serving than traditional dairy products. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss health and nutrition tips again. Let me know in the comments which calcium-rich food surprised you the most, or if you have other favourites to add to the list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay strong, and take care of yourself.